Wait, my fidgets with me. First, we have this whale print popper. It has a whale on it also. Not loud on this side, but on this side it's louder. Okay. I'll give that 6 out of 10. Next we have this dimple. My sister got makeup all over it, so it's hard to hold this while holding the camera. I'll give that actually a 9 out of 10. I love it. Okay, next we have my sister's snake, whatever you call it, wacky track. And then we have mine. Those are both 5 out of 10. Next, we have this simple dimple. I love that side, but I'm gonna give that definitely 4 out of 10. Next, we have this rainbow dinosaur puppet. This side is definitely louder. I'll give that a 6 out of 10. Next, we have this owl puppet. It's falling apart. So, this one's the sleeping side. We'll flip it over and it's the awake side. So, now we have a blue dinosaur puppet. Some of these pop back up, but this 6 out of 10. Next we have this puppet. Definitely 10 out of 10. I love this one. Next we have this mini puppet. It is of course a rhino. I mean, this is the morning. My brain is not awake. Ooh, that one's 4 out of 10. Next we have the stretchy man. I need to find something so I can set the camera and you can see it. This will not work, I don't think. Yeah, but it's a stretchy man, and it's really easy to pull off their heads. So, yay! Next, we have this stocking one. I got it for Christmas. Don't be fighting in the comments about how you think it's a boot. It is not a boot. This side is basically silent. This one's kind of loud. I'll give this one a 3 on 10. So this one used to be a fidget spinner, but the middle broke off. So it's kind of like this now. It's a 2 out of 10. Next we have this one. This one's like my favorite. I love the feeling of it. It's brand new. We got it for Christmas. We haven't played with it that much. So it's basically brand new. It doesn't stick to any like hairs or anything. 10 out of 10. Next we have this wacky trap. This one used to be really hard, but now it's easy. So I'll give that one 9 out of 10. This one's like hard. 2 2 on 10. Next we have this pop-it bracelet. I'm gonna turn this into a bracelet real quick. So you're gonna be feeling around. So hard to turn this into a bracelet. Okay, so this is what it is. I'm gonna pop it. So that sounds silent. That one's kind of loud, so I'll give that one a 5 out of 10. Next, we have this marble mesh. I love this one. It's like my favorite. I'll give this one 9 out of 10. Next, we have this cupcake popper. Okay, yeah, I like this one. This one's kind of silent, but this one might be louder. It's a little bit louder, so I'll give this one 7 out of 10. Next, we have this mochi. I just love squishing them. Looks like this. I love squishing them. So, yeah. I'll give this 5 out of 10. Next, we have another simple dimple, but this one's newer. And it has a hooker. Definitely 5 out of 10. Next, we have this fidget spinner paw print dimple. So I'm gonna try to. I need to unplug this real quick. I'm not even charging it. Okay, can you see this? So, nice fidget spinner. Nice pops. Very silent, but this side's better. I'll give it 3 on 10. I don't even know what this piece of cloth is. Next, we have this mini poppet. That's a 3 on 10. And then we have this mini avocado poppet. It's so cute. I love it. It's a 10 on 10. Okay, and so you know the ones, this stretching man I showed you, and I said their heads can come off easy? Well, this is what happens. Yeah. Guys, I'll be right back. I have one fidget in my room. I'm in my sister's room right now, so I'll be right back. Who knew I had 3? So first one is this Among Us blue poppet. I love this one. I'm gonna try to get the loud side. Ten on 10, I love it. So now we have this wacky track, whatever you call it. Snake. Whatever you guys call it. So, these both are 10 on 10s. Oh, I forgot to write one thing too. I have this orange marble mesh, and I love it. So, I'll be right back. There's one thing I need to grab. Now I'm very happy and stressed out. And this is me when I have no snacks and no candy. Bye.